This is gonna be good. We're gonna have a good day, okay? We are gonna have a good day. Right? We're gonna have a good day. Hi guys, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. It's been a minute. There's a lot of crazy shit going on in the world right now. So today I want to do something a little light on the anxiety, because there's plenty to fucking be anxious about that, you know, doesn't involve cooking something. Today I'm actually gonna make salsa. It's super easy, and you know, if you need something to take to a party, bring some fucking salsa. Everybody likes salsa. This is a recipe that my mom taught me. It's super easy. You literally just need canned diced tomatoes, because you know, then you can make it year round. You don't have to worry about tomatoes being in season or anything. Jalapenos, or you know, if you're a little bitch, maybe not jalapenos. Onion, cilantro, garlic. I like to add black beans and lime juice. Obviously, fresh limes are better, but if you don't have it, it's whatever. I also add salt and pepper to taste, and that's it. So we're just gonna make some salsa and just have like a fucking easy day, because yeah, how you guys doing? I mean, it's a lot. Like, I'm about to have to start a new segment. That I went to go film a video last week, and like I got in the kitchen, and you know, I had an idea of what I wanted to make, and I came in and I opened up the cupboard and we were out of cinnamon, and it was something so tiny, and it's just like, I was like, I don't want to do this. Like, I don't want to be in the kitchen. Like, I don't even want to be in the house right now. But of course, you know, we're on lockdown. So I went out to the garage, and I was painting an antique headboard that I bought at a junk shop. And so I started working on that finally. And so my fiance was just like, oh, okay, so we have Anxiety Kitchen, and now we have Depression Garage. So, you're not wrong. It smells bomb as fuck in here though, because I already kind of like pre-cut some stuff. You know, like a real cooking show. We have prep work. A beach. Okay, so onion, jalapeno, cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, we could not be friends. Okay, so what I like to do is typically I use one big can of diced tomatoes, but you know, panic shoppers, so they only had the little ones. So I do 2 little ones. I blend up one of them, and then I put the other one in the bowl as is. I have some black beans I already rinsed. Plunk those in there. I'm just gonna do the tomatoes by themselves. I'm going to put my jalapenos in there. That's 2 decent sized ones. Put my garlic in there. Yeah, you know, I'm going to put my cilantro in there. Blink, blink, blink. I'm losing my marbles. Oh, that's a... Oh. The wife is going to hate me. I can taste the jalapeno spice in the air. And I put the onion in there, and you know, you don't want to like completely obliterate the onion, so I always kind of do it last. These are crazy times. I saw a meme the other day that was like, you know, I always wondered what people were doing at like big moments of history. And then I remember that we are living in one and I'm just trying to do my laundry. I'm like, bitch, that's more than I'm doing. Okay. I'm just gonna put a little lime in the coconut. And then we'll put a little bit of salt. It's a little. And a little bit of pepper. It's nice and chunky. Let's put some corn in there. All right, and I just use frozen corn because why make things harder for yourself? Maybe you want to make salsa for your salsa class. So yeah, that was super quick and the easiest thing I've ever made. So yeah, then I just like to do a taste test to make sure it's not poisoned. That's it. I made salsa. Zero cooking involved. Had to use a can opener. That's it. Yeah. Have a good quarantine. I hope you guys learn to cook something. If you want like more actual cooking videos, let me know. Comment below. Something. I don't know. Like this video, subscribe, tell your friends. Or don't. I don't know. I can't tell you what to do. You do you, man. So today, I made salsa. Do what makes you happy. Not judging, but you know. Maybe you should shower. That's all I got, guys. Just gonna. Mm.